Hey, hello there. So today's Leetcode challenge question is called a delete node in a linked list. So we have a single linked list and we have access to a node that we want to do a deletion. We need to write the function to perform this operation. So as an example, we have a linked list 4519. We've been given a pointer points to the node 5. So we want to achieve a goal that the end result linked list will look like 419. So so think about this. We are working on a single linked list, and we only have a pointer points to node 5. So since it's a single linked list, there's no way we can go back to node 4 and ask a node 4 to point to node 1 instead of 5 to perform the actual deletion of this particular node. There's no way we can do that because it's a single linked list and we couldn't go back. So to achieve the same effect, what we would do is to copy the node's value, the next node's value, change this 5 into 1 and have this next pointer, instead of pointing to 1, it will point to 9. So it will look like if the original node 5 has been deleted from the linked list, but in reality it just copies the next node's value and short the next node instead of the node itself, because there is just no way that we can physically delete this node that been given to us, unless we have a pointer that's to the previous node. Since this is single linked list, there is no way we can do that. So I guess this is where the confusion comes into play. When you look at the description, it's called delete node, but where in fact in reality you couldn't really delete this object. Yeah, I guess that's some question you can ask to clarify. Do we really want to delete this physical object, or we want to achieve the goal as if it looks like this thing has been deleted? Yeah, so with that, the code is pretty simple. We're just gonna copy the next node's value and then have this node points to the next. So this should work. It's a void, so it doesn't return anything. All it does is to copy the next node's value and then short the next node. So that's the question for today. All right.